How to animate a circle in Premiere Pro. So first of all, we need to go to the rectangle tool. Hold down your left mouse button until this menu pops up. Click on the ellipse tool. Now hold down Shift on your keyboard and make your circle. Drag the graphic file to the end of the clip. Now go over to your effects control panel and we need to turn the fill off and the stroke on. Make it as big as you want. So we need to make sure the circle's in the middle. So if you press this button here, it will reset into the middle. Now change your color of your circle. So we want a nice red. Might need to make it a little bit bigger. There we go. So all we need to do now is go over to effects. In the search bar, type in clock. So clock wipe. Now, as this is a transition, you need to put it on the start of the graphic. And then drag the duration to however long you want it. I want it about 3 seconds. So make sure the playhead's at the start of the track and let's play it. And there you go, guys. Now, if you do want it faster, all you have to do is go back to the transition and just make it smaller. Say 1.5 seconds. That's how you animate a circle in Premiere Pro.